The arrest of Ilgar Rizaev is of political nature, and sending him to jail number 14 in the village of Gizildash pursued goals of revenge for his active civil position, noted the participants at the press conference organized by the committee to defend the rights of Ilgar Rizaev. Ilgar Rizaev was arrested on May the 11th this year on charges of drug possession. On the same day, police allegedly found drugs in a rented apartment where Rizaev lived. Ilgar's mother Shirinbaji Rizayeva stated that her son was arrested for protecting the property rights of his family and demanding fair compensation for their demolished house. According to Shirinbaji, she was dismissed from her job after his son's detention. Political and civil activists are frequently arrested based on Article 234 of the Criminal Code, illegal possession of drugs, said Open Society Party activist Vugar Mahmudov. The Rights Protection Committee called political parties and intellectuals to unite under one coalition to defend the rights of political prisoners and prisoners of conscience. The committee called the prison number 14 a jail for political prisoners and activists. The house of Rizaev family was demolished to pave the way for the construction of Winter Boulevard. At the April 22nd opposition protest, Ilgar's mother Shirinbaji Rizayeva sharply criticized the authorities for the seizure of citizens' properties, after which their house was demolished despite of the fact that the court had ruled in their favor. The family is currently living in a rented apartment.